Welcome to a new episode, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change calendar on iPhone. So there are three calendars that are very popular, which is the Japanese calendar, the Buddhist calendar, and the Georgia calendar. Literally, everybody makes use of the Georgia calendar. So you can easily change between the Buddhist or the Japanese calendar and the Georgia calendar. So to change calendar on your iPhone, you need to go to your iPhone settings. So whether you're using iPhone with a Face ID or iPhone with a Touch ID, the process is similar. So once on the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Under General, you want to scroll down and click on Language and Region. Select that. Then click on Calendar here. So once you select Calendar, then you have three options available. There is Georgia Calendar, Japanese Calendar, and Buddhist Calendar. To change to any of these calendars, all you need to do is select them and hit the back button. Once you click on that, you see your calendar change to the one you selected. Here you see I selected Japanese. Then you can also click on this and click on Georgia Calendar. You hit the back button, or come back here and click on the Buddhist calendar. So this is how to change calendar on your iPhone. If this is helpful, you want to hit the button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.